The stars ignite across the sky. Your glory shines, I can't deny. The night is full, the heavens sing. My soul is wild for everything. The rhythm flows, the crowd's alive. Your spirit moves, our hearts revive. In every light, in every sound, your endless mercies all around. I feel your fire start to grow. A holy flame the world must know. Eternal fire burning bright, lighting up our hearts tonight. Every soul, every flame dances wildly in your name. Eternal fire, pure and true, all our praise belongs to you. Every spark, every cry lifts our worship to the sky. The night won't fade, the sound won't die. Your spirit lives, you multiply. The drums of faith, the beats collide. Your power burns from deep inside. The wind of grace, the sparks of love, they rain like stars from up above. The crowd lifts high, the shining hands. Your presence fills the desert lands. And now your love consumes it all. I rise again, I hear your call. Eternal fire burning bright, lighting up our hearts tonight. Every soul, every flame dances wildly in your name. Eternal fire, pure and true, all our praise belongs to you. Every spark, every cry lifts our worship to the sky. You're the flame, never fades through the dark. Your light remains, my heart's alive, forever yours. Your grace ignites what time restores. Eternal fire burning bright, we are one in holy light. Every heart, every soul burns with joy you made whole. Eternal fire never dies, fills the earth and lights the skies. Every spark, every cry roars your glory magnified. The night is gone, the dawn is higher. We're alive in eternal fire. The ocean sings, the sun ignites. Your mercy glows in golden lights. The waves arise, the sky is clear. Your spirit moves, I feel you near. My heart awakes, my soul takes flight. Grace is dancing in the light. I lift my hands, I shout your name. The sea and sky declare your fame. And brings the world to life again. Waves of glory, shining bright, turn the dark to purest light. Every heart, every sea worships you eternally. Waves of glory never end. Every soul will rise again. Every song, every shore praises you forevermore. Holy shine, waves of glory. The tide will turn, the stars will see. Your waves of glory carry me. Ooh. The stars align above my heart. I feel your peace in every part. The quiet hum, the gentle wind reminds me who I am within. Your light breaks through the darkest sea, a whispered truth that carries me. Every shadow starts to cease. I stand beneath your light of peace. I close my eyes and breathe you in. The storm is gone, new life begins. Light of peace, shine on me. Calm the waves, set me free. Every fear, every tear fades away when you are near. Light of peace, strong and true. All my hope returns to you. Every breath, every release lives inside your light of peace. The night is long, but I don't fall. I hear your voice above it all. A gentle flame, a guiding hand. You lift me up, you help me stand. The sky unfolds, the stars awake. The dawn is coming through the haze. The world is still, the heart believes. Your mercy flows through all my dreams. And in the calm, I hear you say, my child, the night will fade away. Light of peace, shine on me. Calm the waves, surrender all. Your voice becomes my every call. Light of peace. The night grows still, the stars release. The world is held in light of peace. The night is bright, your love shines through. The stars align because of you. The heavens sing, the crowd lifts high. Your glory lights the midnight sky. The rhythm beats, my heart's awake. The chains are gone, the ground will shake. I raise my hands, I shout your name. Forever free, I'll praise the same. Light the fire, let it glow. Let the world and heavens know. Shine forever, holy flame. Every soul will praise your name. Through the dark, through the night, you're the you still glow. The night is bright, the stars align. I feel your fire inside of mine. Every heartbeat sings your name. You light the dark, you burn the same. The rhythm moves, the sky ignites. Your glory shines in flashing lights. The crowd lifts up, the heavens sing. The sound of freedom echoing. And I can feel your love arise. It's pouring down like endless skies. Hearts in light, we're shining now. Faith and fire won't back down. Every soul begins to glow. In your grace we overflow. Hearts in light, forever free. Dancing through eternity. Every beat, every cry lifts our praise into the dawn breaks through, the day is near. I feel your truth, erase my fear. Your presence moves from heart to heart. Creation sings, you are the star. The sound of joy, the crowd unites. Our souls ignite in endless light. We raise our hands, we shout your name. Forever loved, we won't be the same. The world awakens with your sound. Your glory raining all around. Hearts in light, we're shining now. Faith and fire won't back down. Every soul begins to glow. In your grace we overflow. Hearts in light, forever free. Dancing through eternity. Every beat, every cry lifts our praise into the sky. Oh, we are light in your design. Every breath divine. Oh, you lift us high. We're glowing in your endless light. Hearts in light, we're shining now. Nothing can hold us down. Every step, every sound shakes the heavens all Hearts in light, we come alive. In your name we'll always rise. Every beat, every cry burns like fire across the sky. Hearts in light, forever shine. Your love eternal, pure divine. The morning breaks, your mercy shines. I see your love in golden lines. The shadows fade, the sky is clear. I know your presence drawing near. The rhythm moves, my soul takes flight. My heart ignites in endless light. I lift my hands, my voice will say, your grace is new this holy day. And now I rise, I'm born again. I find my peace, I find my friend. Rising grace, lift me higher. Hearts alive, praise across the land. Rising grace, lift me higher, hearts alive, set on fire. Every beat, every flame burns the power of your name. Rising grace, I am free, you are all I'll ever every day. The world is new, the air is kind, your spirit flows through heart and mind. The city fades in gold and gray, the sky melts slow, the lights obey. I watch the day fall out of view and feel the dust come close to you. Reflections on the window glass like moments we can't make last. The air is calm, the breeze is mild. I find my peace for just a while, and in the glow I start to see this velvet world surrounding me. Velvet horizon, slow and wide, carry my heart to the other side. Every light that fades away whispers softly, it's okay. Velvet horizon, calm and deep, hold my soul until I sleep. Every color, every side paints my dreams across the sky. Trees grow quiet, soft and clear. The sound of night begins to near. The neon hums a gentle tune beneath the rising ember moon. I breathe it in, the world feels kind. I leave the past so far behind. The moment slows, I feel the glow of everything I've come to know. I lift my eyes, the stars appear. I'm still alive, I'm still here. My dreams across the sky. The day is gone. breeze, the night begins. I feel the calm beneath my skin. Velvet horizon slow and wide. Take my soul where dreams reside. Every hue, each fading spark lights my way inside the dark. Velvet horizon soft and clear, I find your peace is always near. Every sound, every sigh fades into the velvet sky. The night falls calm, my heart complies. I drift away in velvet skies. The grass sways slow beneath the sky. The golden wind is passing by. The sunlight hums a tune so mild. I feel the calm, the earth's own child. The echoes call from far away, of dreams we lived, of brighter days. I breathe it in, I let it stay. The fields remember what I say. The world turns soft, my heart turns clear. The sound of peace is all I hear. In the echo fields I roam, every breeze becomes my home. Every shadow, every hue sings of life, both old and new. In the echo fields I stay, time and fear just fade away. Every sound, each memory flows like rivers back to me. The air is warm, the light is slow. The flowers sway where soft winds blow. My thoughts dissolve like clouds of white. I fade into the morning light. The distant hills, they breathe and glow. A world of peace I've come to know. The leaves all whisper kind and true. The world is waiting here for you. The gentle sound of grass and air reminds me love is everywhere. In the echo fields I roam, every breeze becomes my home. Every shadow, every hue sings of life, both old and new. In the echo fields I stay, time and fear just fade away. Every sound, each memory flows like rivers back to me. The world grows still, the sky is white. I let my spirit coincide. Every note, each subtle tone reminds me I was never alone. In the echo fields I roam, every breeze becomes my home. Every step, each melody is the sound of harmony. In the echo fields I stay, night and dawn both fade to gray. Every dream, each memory fade, the sky will heal, but I remain in echo field.